Welcome to Stepwise with Dr. Bob. We're going to go ahead and look at today's minute cryptic. Wow. I see 7 letters and I see an answer that has 12 letters. Fig in Ram. Okay. That has a par of 6. All right, we're in for a doozy here. Corey Calhoun has made a challenging puzzle for us. So the exclamation point and the length of this screams that this is an and lit, meaning fig and ram would be both the definition and the cryptic part. So we somehow interpret fig in ram to mean something that has the 5 letter, 7 letter um, pattern. And we cryptically do something with fig in ram to make the 12 letter word that means fig and ram. All right, so what is a fig? It would help if I knew what a fig was. I don't know much about figs. I know that they are like dates. Um, I know that they used to be in fig Newtons. Um, It's GIF backwards, which doesn't really do much. N in quotes is usually and, but perhaps those quote marks are doing a lot of work. Apostrophes. I don't want to ignore anything when we need so many letters. Ram is a kind of like a mountain lion. It's an animal, it's a mammal. Ram can mean to hit something, um, to make impact. Fig and Ram, I just don't even know what that would define. Fig and Ram. I am just stuck wondering how those two things go together. I mean, if this is an and lit, which it may not be, but I think it is, how do you, what entity is being described by a fig in Ram? Battering Ram? RAM is random access memory? Usually all caps, but again, not throwing anything out here. I don't know what fig is. Fig is GIF backwards. Again, that's meaningless, really. Rearranging this, fig and ram rearranged is framing or farming. There's nothing that tells you to rearrange it, though. Um, RAM could be rearranging the FIGN, but how in the world do you get 12 letters out of there? I mean, in quotes, and quoted. FING gives us 4 of 12. We need 8 more. In quotes does actually give us 8 more letters. There was one recently where it was, oh, I'm forgetting what it was the P and A, the giant panda where it had the P and A larger. Um, so this might be something like mixed framing, for example, would describe what's going on here. Mixed farming. I mean, if you were farming for figs and you were farming rams, like sheep, um, you would you would get there. So describing the cryptic part in the clue might get us there, like sheep farming. Oh my gosh. I hit enter on a whim, and it is correct. Now I really have to back up for a second. Hold on. Okay, maybe what I said was true. Fig and ram are two different things that you can farm, and then mixing up farming gives us fig and ram. I am clearly surprised that I got it right. Six under par though. Look at that. Um, I was about to go over and try sheep farming, but sheep would have just been the ram part. Uh, Yesterday I said a few things silly at the end about bar and counter and trying to figure out how they went together, and only afterwards realizing that uh, a physical bar has a counter. They're both like the same thing. It's so I was on the wrong noun of connecting those. I'm feeling like I'm gonna leave this and have the same thought that, oh, that's how they go together. But no, I just think you can farm figs and you can farm rams. Is there anything down here that says this is an and lit, so our definition is fig and ram. Wordplay, this clue is a rebus, where the wordplay instructions are in the answer and their effect is in the clue. Okay, that's how we got there. Wordplay number two, the technique present in the answer is an anagram technique. Our answer tells us to anagram a seven-letter word, and that will give us the seven letters. The answer will simultaneously represent fig and ram as the definition. Yeah. I mean, I'm not gonna watch this video and my video, but if you go there, you can. Um, I'll be curious to hear what that explanation is a little bit. But okay, I thought we were gonna be here a while. I hope you enjoyed. Have a good rest of your day.